Good morning to all my new friends and good afternoon for the day. Aditi, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, First of all, thanks to the KLE management, especially BBA department Nagar Bhavi, for arranging this program. And with my best greetings to all of you, let me start the session. Today's session is a mixture of education and motivation. So when KLE department approached me about keeping the people motivated, especially in this era of demotivation, mainly due to unfortunate COVID-19. So we need to keep ourselves on the top. For this reason, I'll be discussing generally about how to keep ourselves motivated. Then something about the various career options in commerce, and we'll end with the how to take it further. That is the way things are going to happen. So next. Next one, yeah. Fine. Can you make it a little bigger? Is it possible? Slide so you can go, I think. Yeah, fine, fair enough. Next one. Next, yeah. One of the beautiful quotations which I recently came across, I thought it is absolutely apt for the present scenario. Serenity comes when you trade expectations for acceptance. Serenity comes when you trade expectations for acceptance. We all commerce students understand trading in an easy manner. Trade means buying and selling. So today we have a lot of expectations. We need to reduce that expectation, start accepting the facts the way they are. Earlier we used to call BC and AD. Today I call it as BC and AC. Before Corona and after Corona. So in between 1 year 2020, if it is unproductive, remove 1 year from our life. Nothing will happen. If you are living for 99 years, let us live for 98 years. Not a big deal. So do not have any high expectations because there are a lot of fluctuations in the market about the understanding of Corona, about the understanding of the life. Everything is going to toss. So let us accept the things the way they are. Don't try to have any other expectation other than accepting the things the way it is. Next, please. One of the beautiful stories which has inspired me substantially has been told to me by one of my CA student. I'm sure you are also going to be inspired by this. I just thought, let me reiterate this story. There's a story which I think almost every inaugural session I'll be telling of a motivational session. There's a very fat boy, very fat, well built. The right word is well built, 10-year-old, and there's a slim boy, 6-year-old, as you can see on the board. They were very good friends. 10-year-old fat boy, remember that, and 6-year-old young slim boy. They were very good friends. They used to play in and around their area. Once they thought, let us go outskirts of our village. They went to the outskirts in that area, which is almost nearest to the forest. So there's a good field, agricultural field. They said, let us play. They started playing. While playing, by mistake, the fat fellow fell inside the well. And there was no one nearby. So he was asking for help. He was screaming for help. The thin boy so looked around. He could not see anyone there. He just found a rope there. He put the rope down and pulled this fat fellow, and they came back. They were rescued. When they came back to the village, then they came back to their native, to the house. They were little apprehensive. A story bolna hai, nahi bolna hai. Helbeka bedwa anta. Because if they tell, obviously parents will shout, why did you go there? Or they may not believe. But if they don't tell, there is a possibility that actually they would have hidden something. They gathered the courage and they told the story to their family members. Family member said, you are talking rubbish, bullshit. How can a thin, slim boy lift the fat boy? How is it possible? You are talking rubbish. Go. They told to their friends, they told to their family members, relatives. No one believed the story. Everybody said, "You are lying, go and play." This story has been heard by one wise man in that village, a gentleman whom everybody used to have a high regard and respect. When he heard this story, he said, "What these kids are saying is absolutely right, 100% correct." Villagers were shocked. How is it possible? This a wise man is used to give always good advice. How come he has accepted this story? But still, since he has been accepted as a wise man, they didn't want to, what you call, just underestimate him. They went and asked, "Sir, you are such a great gentleman, wise scholar. How come you are accepting this lie as a truth?" So immediately the old man says, "Whatever they are telling is 100% correct." So then they asked, "How come that thin boy lifted that fat boy?" Then immediately the wise man says, "When thin boy was supposed to lift that fat boy, observe this, there was no one near him, including the self, that said that he could not do it." I repeat, there was no one near him, including the self, said that he could not do it. My dear friends, today we are unfortunately bombarded with negative thoughts, negativity, wrong thoughts. In the world, there are three categories of people: highly overconfident, underconfident, and lower confident. Americans are highly overconfident people. They think we are the best. Two aeroplanes came inside, they hit the two big buildings, they could not do anything. Nothing. Their technology, resource, nothing they could do. They are the overconfident people. Japanese fellows, perfect confidence. Even Hiroshima, Nagasaki happened. See, after Second World War, everybody thought Japan will be nowhere in the map. They are always in the top three countries in the world. Whereas I'm a Pakka Indian, Pakka patriot, but unfortunately, majority of our Indian crowd is underconfident. We always under-invoice ourselves. We always think we are lesser than what we are capable of. So, my dear friends, especially the student friends who are listening, be confident about yourself. Be confident about yourself. Swami Vivekananda, who lived only 39 years, he was a normal human being. Maybe your great grandfather would have related their life to them. He lived only for 39 years. Today, entire world knows where India is, what India is, just because of the gentleman. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, born to a very tough background family, very poverty family, but became the president of India merely because of the confidence what he had, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had a trust on him. Okay, so please believe in yourself. So self belief is the most important key to success, especially in this era. Please understand. I was reading one Ratan Tata's article. So where people said after Second World War, Japan will not be there. So many countries. So, but Ratan Tata says all experts' opinion went to toss. Same way, this coronavirus, COVID-19 situation will also pass. So you should just make inverted commas. Okay, write down somewhere. This time will also pass. This time will also pass. So everything will change. So, but for all these things, believe in yourself. Next, please. Yeah. So one of the beautiful quotations, again, just to talk generally before the educational involvement. My strength did not come from lifting weights. My strength came from lifting myself every time I was knocked down. If you think today you are a little low, today you think that you are being pushed it down, don't worry. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಹಂಗೆ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 10 years we went back. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Okay, if you believe in yourself, as long as you are able to get up every time when you have fallen down, trust me, you will be able to reach the thing what you want. Next, please. Yeah. So with this brief introduction, let me introduce what I'm going to discuss today. One of my favorite personalities. My speech is incomplete if it is not referred to Swami Vivekananda. You are what you think you are. You are what you think you are. You think you are confident, you are confident. You think you are going to be a winner, you are going to be a winner. You think you are going to be a loser, you are going to be a loser. So all this depends on your thinking. So you are what you think you are. So in today's session, I'll be discussing about three parts. General discussion about the education related matter. Second one is education specific. In commerce, what are the various options we have? and at the end let us discuss some points, okay, which may be useful for my life, So I'll be starting with the first one. So general discussion. Next one. Yeah. So some important, interesting quotes which I thought very crucial at this juncture. The difference between the impossible and the possible lies in person's determination, because the word impossible itself says I am possible. The word impossible, if you just split, I am possible. So if you believe that you can do wonders, you can. I've seen thousands of students, I've seen lakhs together people, those who believed in themselves, they've always reached the top. And the second one, very important, especially for my student friends, you can do what you have to do, and sometimes you can do it even better than what you think you can. At any level of education, whether it is a BCom, BBA, or any course, okay, normally question paper will be for more than 100 marks, 120 marks, 130 marks, 150 marks. Trust me, my dear friends, you are supposed to get effectively around 80% or 90% to get 100. If it is a 150 mark question paper, so 2/3 you are right, you have got 100, and you are called 100% perfect, which is not the truth. Whereas if we are writing some professional exam where 120 marks examination, out of 120 marks, 80 to 85% you are right, you are still 100%. That's why you always think you can do better than what you are thinking about yourself. I read one beautiful quotation in a temple calendar. Capacity means how much you can do. Capability means how well you can do. I repeat, capacity means how much you can do. Capability means how well you can do. Daily increase 1% of these. After 100 days, you are 100% better than today. So what is required is continuous, regular, committed efforts in all field. Maybe my faculty friends are there, my student friends are there, general public are there. I'm telling all of you, my dear friends, you have to just improve yourself day by day. Don't compare with others. You need to improve yourself. I as a faculty have to improve. I as an employee I have to improve. I as an employer I have to improve. I as a student I have to improve. Daily if I increase 1% after 100 days, I am 100% better than today. So what is the big deal in improving? It's absolutely possible. Never let a day pass with a which will make you to say, I will do tomorrow. So you would have heard this Kabir's dohe, kal kare so aaj kare to ab kar. You should not think about I'll do it tomorrow. If you look at tomorrow, okay, so that tomorrow will never come. Tomorrow will never come. In everyone's life, if it has to be done today, it has to be done today. That's it. Okay. Don't ever have the habit of procrastination. Munda kakodu, kal karenge, nale mana, nahi. It is not good. Okay. And have a positive attitude. Extremely important. Positive attitude, I just love to talk again and again about that. So all this time I was telling my friends, always be positive in life except HIV. Except HIV on the positive. But now 2020 is the year, the highly spoken negative word is positive. COVID-19 positive. So that is a positive, but unfortunately it is negative. I keep telling this, my dear friends, every now and then whatever has happened in one scenario will become wrong in another scenario. Eating chocolate for a child is perfect, but for the same chocolate for a 60-year-old person having a diabetes is not right. Breeze in Lalbagh when I'm walking, Kabban Park when I'm walking, beautiful breeze is brilliant. I love it. Whereas if I'm playing open ground shuttle, that breeze itself will become a negative. I am going in a Bangalore traffic in the normal scenario, night 7 o'clock, heavy traffic when I'm coming back home. It is pathetic for me. Whereas if I'm flying above that Bangalore traffic in an aircraft and I look down, beautiful lightings. Wow, I love it. So what is positive will become negative sometimes. So best thing is, I repeat this, you can have a positive thought, you can have a negative thought. You are right. But what is the use of having a negative thought? What is the use of having a negative thought? You are right in having positive thought, you are wrong in having a negative thought. But what is the use of having a negative thought? That's why have that right thought, which is always positive. It is always. Our mind always has two birds, positive thinking and negative thinking. The one you feed the most will make the nest. Our mind always has two birds, positive thinking and negative thinking. The one you feed the most, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಹಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, so that will make the nest inside your brain, mind. That's why I always have a positive thought. And I keep telling in a jovial manner to my student friends, when you're walking down the street, okay, a crow shits on your head or shirt. So, ayo, cha, days wasted on the, don't say that. Look up and say, oh, thank God, it is only crotane. Thank God, cows won't fly. Imagine cows are flying and cow dung falls on you. So that's the positivity you have to look at it. Positivity you're looking at. Today morning, one of the session, I was telling one joke to my student friends. In a bus actually, Shravan was there, one of my friends, and that bus met with an accident. He started crying. He was screaming, ayo, ayo, he's screaming. Conductor came and asked, what happened? So he says, I lost my finger, sir, finger fracture ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. Then immediately conductor says, look at that person who is lying down there. ಅವನ ಹೆಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಅವನು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡವನೆ, ಈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ನಿನ್ಗೇನು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು? ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ life ಅಲ್ಲಿ every negative has a positive thing. Every negative has a positive thing. Always have a positive thinking. And student friends, no doubt today technology is important, what's mobile, etc. important. You may not believe, I don't own a mobile. I don't have my own mobile number. Only now because of the corona scenario, okay, I'm using my wife's mobile for my, what you call, contact purpose. Otherwise, I never used to. Last 6-7 years, I never had a mobile. You can ask all my friends who are connected to me. I had an office number, yes. Whenever in the office people can contact me. If in my house, and house number I have. In between, I want to live my life the way I want to live. Not that others should rule my life. Unfortunately, most of us think mobile is the benefit. Yes, in some context, it has advantage. But majority of the time, if your life has to be run by, controlled by others, you should have a mobile. Now, yes, because of the corona season, you don't have an option, I understand. Otherwise, be the king of your own life. Don't be a servant of technology. Don't abuse the technology. Don't misuse the technology. So that's why avoid unwanted WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Because normally 35 to 45% marks are lost only because of that in the exam. And coincidentally, your pass mark is also 35 to 40% majority of the examination. And be cool and calm. Whoever says whatever, relax. Okay. Samachitta we say. Okay. So relax. Someone praises you, be happy. Someone doesn't praise you, be happy. But Anganta, you should not jump because whatever is today's position will become reverse position tomorrow. Next, take care of your health. Very, very important. Today, I think everybody would have understood the health is important. It is not that corona reason I'm telling. Before that also I was telling health is crucial. Earlier, we used to say if character is lost, everything is lost. Health is lost, something is lost. Wealth is lost, nothing is lost. I have reframed it. Character is lost, everything is lost. Even health is lost today, everything is lost. Because one member in your house is having a health problem, entire family suffers. Entire family suffers. So that's why please take care of your health. Especially if you are in a city life, we need to take extra care about this health. Then drink sufficient water because excessive heat unnecessarily causes a lot of tensions. Reasonable quantity, 3 to 4 liters they say for an average human being. If you have some health reasons, you can always contact the doctor and take suggestion. Take sufficient breaks. If you are studying, so no doubt it may sound like a joke. So there are two categories of people. They study in between the break. Some people take break in between studying. So now I'm talking to my student friends. If you keep on studying, somewhere you have to take a break. So now interesting point is, I have done MSc in psychology, especially the classroom psychology. We sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, okay, so you get up for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay. Whereas after 10 minutes only, you feel like getting up. Yes, attention span cannot be more than 10 to 15 minutes. I know that. But you have to put that conscious effort to sit there for 1 hour, 2 hours, baitna hai. Then you take a 10 to 15 minutes break, no problem. But have that conscious effort. Swami Vivekananda, when he was a great hit in 1893 Chicago Summit, someone asked, what's your overnight you became a hero? He said, I am not a overnight hero. I have prepared my mind for so many years. He says, I trained my mind in such a way that no impure thoughts come to my mind. So I trained my mind in such a way that no impure thoughts come to my mind. This is one of the brilliant statements which has made my life. Two important points. I always talk in 2 arrow marks. First arrow mark, even person of Swami Vivekananda statue used to get negative thoughts, wrong thoughts. If he was not getting that wrong thoughts, he would not have made that comment. So he was getting, I am also getting, nothing wrong. So how to come out of the same, how to bring positivity? You need to keep on training your mind in such a way that always have a positive thought. Negative thought aata hai, it is natural. Even Sri Krishna Paramatma says in Bhagavad Gita, it is natural. But let it come, but you should not run along with that. You should not go along with that. It should come, it should go. And train in such a way that you'll always get the positive thoughts, positive thought process. Next, please. Yeah, reasonable sleep. So yesterday I was going through one video which says somewhere in Kazakhstan, I was shocked actually. People sleep for at least a month at a stretch. So they say Kumbhakarna Vamsha, they call them as. 1 month Kazakhstan, one video, I was really stunned. How is it possible? Nobody knows, sir. 1 month, that kind of sleep we cannot. So normally for a student, 6 hours sleep is optimum, 7 hours is good, 8 hours is luxury. Beyond 8 hours, if you do, it doesn't make sense. It's like in Kannada, there's a beautiful statement connected to that about the food. ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವವನು ಯೋಗಿ, who eats once no is yogi. ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವವನು ಭೋಗಿ, some comfortable zone. 3 ಸಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವವನು ರೋಗಿ, 4 ಸಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋನು ಒತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, just take it. So eating once is very good, twice okay, 3 times they say it is sick. Most of us, okay, we all read 3 times, we all, including me. 4 times they eat, 5 times they eat, then he is ready, getting ready for being shifted to nearby place. And very crucial, especially in the corona situation, please do some yoga. I appeal to all my Indian brothers and sisters, please do yoga. Yoga is the contribution of India to the world. Western people are doing yoga, outsiders are doing, but Indian people, some of you do, majority others are having yoga. I don't know why. One of the beautiful thing with no side effects, please do yoga and meditation. Meditation may be at the higher level, at least some basic Surya Namaskar, stretching asanas, you do it, because especially this coronavirus scenario. And also there's something like acupressure, one of my friends were telling. So they're helping you out substantially. We have 2 of my known people, they have been identified positive cases because of the yoga, pranayama and what you call acupressure scenario. They were able to get discharged within 5 days. Within 5 days. Okay, so it is a crucial aspect, especially in the today's juncture. So yoga and meditation is extremely important. So the beautiful quote, time and health are 2 precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. My senior friends, faculty members, family members, please read this again by yourself. You will understand. Time and health are 2 precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. Only after time we say, oh, yo, agivoitanta. Time and tide waits for none. Same way, health, you will understand the importance of health only when health is lost. Why do you want to wait? Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than, and all my young student friends, you think yoga I will do after 60, 70. My dear friends, on an open forum, online forum, I'll tell you, don't have high expectations in life, especially if you're living in a city like 60 years, if you live tane, badikidre tane. So yoga ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ don't have high expectation. Start doing yoga. Yes, one Mr. Sudarshan Chaturvedi near Jayanagar, if I'm not wrong, he has lived for 115 plus years because he was doing 108 Surya Namaskar almost daily, even at the age of 110. So those people lived. 100 years is too high. Even if we have to live healthily, happily for 60 years plus, we need to start doing yoga at the earliest possible time. Earliest possible time. Like the way you eat, like the way you breathe, make yoga as a part of your life. Next, please. Now let us move on to our area. Mainly we are talking to the commerce today. As told to me, I'll be discussing about the commerce education. One of the beautiful statement made by Bill Gates. I love this statement. He says, I visit only 2 places. One is church. He being a Christian, he says religious place, church. And second one is my accountant. So all commerce people, we are mainly towards the accounts or management, whatever it may be. So he says, personally, I visit only 2 persons, 2 places. One is the church, the second is the accountant. How proud moment for all commerce people. The richest person in the world for good number of years. He says, I visit only 2 places. That means we are in the right direction. Yes, sir. And since we are already, next one, already in the commerce field, I don't want to get into that discussion. But otherwise, my request to all my faculty and parent members, don't have this wrong notion. Highest mark means in 10th, go to science. Next highest means commerce. Least means arts. I am not here to tell you to join commerce, arts, science, management, CA, nothing. I am telling you pursue your passion. So because there are some best of the best students in 10th, without their willingness, they join science and they struggle. Let them take commerce. Or a best of the best student, he will join commerce, he struggles. Let him join arts, let him pursue his passion. Today, if you specialize in any area, you have a life. If you do general medicine, general engineering, general commerce, graduation degree, you will not have much life. That's why you need to do master, you need to special, whichever area you want. But as of now, I am very proud to say that commerce is the best, doing exceptionally well. A statistical example, in my college, when I studied PUC, we had hardly one section for commerce, and science was just introduced. But there is huge demand for science. Today, there are 3 sections of commerce, and one section also is with difficulty running with science. I'm talking about a college in Mangalore. That is the importance of commerce gaining importance. And commerce, see, even during the offline, even during the online, we people can sit at home and do the accounts. Everything is possible online. So that's why one of the beautiful era out of the 3, science, arts, and commerce, my personal opinion, okay, is always commerce. So in commerce, we have various options. I'll be touching upon all these. I'll not go very deep because time doesn't permit me to do that. First, we discuss something about a graduation course. Then we discuss about a post-graduation course. Then we discuss something about international course. Then I'll touch upon some professional course. Then all other courses, whatever the options we have. So anybody want to know? So it is open to you to listen to the session, not to implement. Implementation is left to your understanding, discussion with your parents, discussion with your college lecturers, discussion with whomever you want. Then you take a call. I am not here to tell to take any of this. Whatever you want to take, whatever you want to take. Fine. Next one. So just as all of you are aware, after 10th, you should enroll for the PUC Commerce. In PUC Commerce, the 2 common subjects are accounts and business studies. And then 2 languages will be common. Then any 2 from the left, maths, stats, history, economic, computer, whatever you want to take it at a PU level, anything is fine. So you have to plan according to your subsequent degree. For example, if you are planning to take up a management related courses, you take optionals which are related to management. If you are planning to take some professional courses, maths and stats may be beneficial. If you are planning to take some other things, according computer science में मुझे expert करना है, BCA करना है, you can do it. Even after PUC, you can do BCA. Computer science ले लो. Whatever is beneficial to you, you can take it. Next, please. Yeah. So now let us move on with the graduation. I'll just touch upon and leave it. So in graduation, we have the first one which always comes to your mind is BCom. BCom. I'm a BCom graduate. Aram se karo. Bachelor of Commerce. Brilliant degree. Next one is 2 equally what you call considered degrees is the BBA. All of the degrees what I mentioned may not be equally considered, but they are there. So earlier it used to be called BBM, if I'm not wrong. Now they call it as a BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. What general perception is, so if you want to do the post-graduation management related courses, BBA may be better. Probably I think your KLE college people will be able to explain better, okay? But commerce as such, you can take BCom or BBA as the case is. However, let me tell you the fact, even if you have taken PUC science, you can do BCom or BBA. But it is better if you take commerce and come to BCom and BBA. Then apart from that, you have specialization degrees at a graduation level itself. Not all the universities are offering. Some universities are offering. Maybe Bachelor of Banking degree and insurance, very good opportunities, but good pressure job. Banking and insurance is a huge pressure job. You take up only if you are ready to take up the pressure. Yes, you can reach the height, but pressure to hai. Next, accounting and finance, exceptionally good field, because ultimately accounting and finance, you will get the job. You will get it. BFM in financial markets, today little risky because markets are substantially volatile. Thanks to the so many, entire world is under one net called COVID-19. Some of my friends says COVID-19 full form, China organized virus in December. COVID, COVID. China, even though China is not accepting, other countries are also not able to do it because in your house at least 10 products are made out of China, sir, which you would have got to know only now. You cannot say that you immediately have to stop. Yes, in a progress manner, India will also stop, but you take out your TV, take some parts from TV, some parts are made in China. You take up your mobile, China has looted the market left, right, center. thankfully, see, COVID-19 is negative, but it is good that actually at least we can open our eyes. Yes, whatever the negatives done by China can be brought to the market, but it cannot happen easily. It will happen over a period of time. So financial markets are affected by the worldwide changes, so you have to take care of it. Then management science, there is a degree. BHM, one of the beautiful degrees again. Hotel management doesn't mean annarasam chapati nahi karna hai. So you can lead to the entrepreneurship, excellent opportunities. But again, another 2-3 years, I don't suggest this. 2-3 years. If you're looking at the career after 3 years, fine. Because another 2-3 years, hotel industry has fallen, completely fallen because of this unfortunate scenario. But yes, after 2-3 years, if you're starting BHM now, after 3 years, when you complete, yes, opportunities will be there. You don't have to worry about it. Fine. So then we have hotel and tourism, one of the beautiful course again, but temporarily on a halt because of the COVID-19 jolt. Next. MBA. Okay, so probably I think the management institutions will be looking at it. Okay, the 2 years course. Okay, master. So first what we did is a graduation course, 12 standard plus 3 years graduation. Any master's degree normally 2 years. Normally there may be some specialization one post graduation courses, but master's degree is always 2 years. Next, please. This MBA can be at 3 categories. I just because I'm talking on behalf of the management institution, I thought I'll discuss about that in detail. The first one is about the B schools. So B schools are basically the top level IIMs. So MBS, ABCL, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, amongst IIMs are the top. If you're extremely brainy, you can definitely take up. I had one of my students was doing CA and just went and wrote a CAT exam. With his sheer brilliance, 6 IIMs he got selected. 6. Gaurav T. Jain is his name for record purpose. Okay. And so doing exceptionally well, sitting in Mumbai, giving consultancy to Singapore government. Okay. So possible, but it should be brilliant. And it is not that it happens overnight. You need to be good in logical learning, English, etc. Then Indian School of Business in Hyderabad is also reasonably good. Then other universities or colleges who are doing PUC, BCom, etc. So obviously, KLE is a big institution, as someone rightly introduced. So Sripad rightly said, 1 lakh plus students across so many countries. So they have so many related projects. KLE Degree College they have, and what I knew is Rajajanagar, Nagarbavi, etc. Wherever you have, whichever information you are able to get, you can collect information and you can join. So you can do MBA from the KLE institution or Bangalore City. Then so many other institutions I just referred there. And most of the institutions will have their entrance examination like CAT, MAT, etc. You can just glance through the slide. Yeah. So the entrance exams, again, if you want to do international MBA, first point, my request to all my friends, India is the best country, be here. Now at least people who have gone abroad, they would have realized it. There is nothing like your own home country, nothing like. If you're a Chinese, be in China. If you're an African, be in Africa. If you're an Indian, be in India. That's it. Nothing like our home country. So that's a be in India. And especially next 10 years, any international course, not just MBA, any international course will not have value. Okay. So, but nevertheless, if you want to go through, you can just glance through it. Next 10 years, I don't expect any great revolution happening. Next. Yeah. Other international courses. Next, please. I'll be giving the slides. You can just glance it once. So there's a degree called CPA, which is equal to Indian CA, SEMA, not Bajuwali SEMA. Okay. Third Institute of Management Accountants, basically London. CFA. There are 2 CFA. One is American CFA. One is the Hyderabad CFA. American CFA is standard and good. CIA, Certified Internal Auditors, and CISA. It is basically about information system. So some equivalent degree I have given there. Just glance it. If you want, I can always share this slide with your institution. They might give it to you. Okay. So, and also we have some other options in commerce. CFA, as I said, one of the brilliant course. CFA, one of the brilliant course at the American level. Then one Indian course, extraordinarily good, actuarial science. It is about Yama's younger brother, estimating the life expectancy, etc. So there's a brilliant course, but for this you need to be extraordinarily intelligent. See, one thing I always say, Just because I say something, someone else says it, just don't be influenced and join. Do some research and join. Actuarial science, extraordinarily good course. Even if you clear some levels, you'll be getting 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month, but extremely tough. You should be ready for it. You should be ready for accepting the facts. Is it my cup of tea? Yes, karo. Nahi to nahi karo. Hard work karke, if you are able to do it, brilliant. I am able to enjoy. Brilliant. Thank you. Next. So next one, please. So I'll also touch upon some professional courses. Now, what is the difference between a normal degree, if I'm doing what you call BCom, and I'm doing a professional course? What is the difference? The normal graduation degree, I'm telling all my friends, okay, all my friends, you have to keep on saluting someone in your life. Professional course, if you do, like a chartered CA course or maybe MBA, and you become the top level boss entrepreneur, someone will salute you. Decide what you want. Next 3-4 years, you have to struggle. Yes. After 3-4 years, so whether you want to keep on saluting someone or you want someone to salute you. If you want someone to salute you, you do some post-graduation courses, MBA courses, PG diploma courses, reach somewhere. You may be employed somewhere, but still there is a salute. Or you can take pure professional courses like CA, CS, and CMA. I call them 3 identical triplets, but slight differences. I'll just tell you about something about CA. Now, next page. Moment I see CA, what do people think? CA means tough. This is the unfortunate thing which has been spread across the country. 1949 till date, we are only 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh chartered accountants. My dear friends, why I'm telling on this point specifically, not that you should join CA, because we have in Mangalore, when I was doing my 10th in Mangalore, top means you go to engineer or doctor, that's it. My dear friends, with the least cost, with the highest return, there are some brilliant courses in commerce. By mistake, I came to commerce. I'm so happy and thankful to the God and my teachers that I'm a CA now. I'm able to do my life. One of my students, 21.5 years, he finished CA. 21.5 lakh is the first salary, starting salary. So this is basically, so not even a rank holder. He was not even a rank holder. Okay, Venkat Sham is name. Just 2 years back, 21.5 years. Like that, when around 7-8 years back, 3 chartered accountants, where the rank holders have been offered 70 lakh salary, starting salary, 70 lakh. So I'm not saying that everybody will get this, but this is possible. Now, is it tough? If you have a fever, will you go to an engineer? Will you go to a lawyer? My question itself is stupid. If you have a fever, you should not go to an engineer. You should not go to a lawyer. You should go to a doctor. If you tell someone, I'm doing CA, or CA karna hai, first remark is tough. That way I tell eating is also tough. I always tell my friends, if you are building, your classroom is in the 4th floor, you have 2 options to climb. One is use the lift, easy option. 2nd and 3rd floor you are in, power goes off, no UPS. March 13th, let us imagine, the day the lockdown was announced. You are stuck in between. Your life is stuck. Whereas if you are going to the next option called using the staircase, even if the power goes off, nothing will happen. You will reach the destination because you believe in your internal power. So UPS or lift is external power. So whereas you believe now in your internal power. So CA, I'm telling very openly, you are ready to put the hard work. Anybody can do CA, anybody can do a MBA, anybody can do a postgraduate. What is required is hard work. IIM MBA, you require intelligence, but CA or some other courses, you require only hard work. You put extra hard work, 100%. We have seen some people, 10th standard, they would have got just 50 to 60%. They are CAs in first attempt. But there's a proper direction, proper approach, and you should be willing to put the hard work. Karmane vadikaraste. Put 4 to 5 years of effort, your life is made. And there is no concept called unemployment. There is no concept called unemployment. As told by our ex-finance minister, Honorable P. Chidambaram, he said, there's a demand for 10 lakh chartered accountant. We are only 3 lakh. Next 4 generation also, we have so much of what you call opportunities in CA. I just told this just to tell you, CA is a jujube course, killer course, provided you put the hard work. Next, please. In CA, there are 3 levels of exam: foundation, 2 writing paper, 2 ticking papers, like a 2020 match. CA intermediate, there are 8 papers, normal examination, and CA final. And in between, you have to work under CA for 3 years. So So you can take up after 12th, which is always suggested, or after graduation. Okay, BBA, BCom के बाद भी ले सकते. There are two options. If you're taking after BBA or BCom, you don't have to write foundation examination. You can go with intermediate and final. So next. So pass criteria 40 into 4 is equal to 200. I know many of you may not like my maths, but that's the maths of CA course. Minimum 40 in each paper, and in foundation there are 4 papers. Minimum 40 आना चाहिए. Total marks is 200 average. Like one of my friends Aditi writes, let us say she gets 40, 60, 40, 60, 200 pass. If I write 99, 99, 99, and if I get 39, not pass. Minimum 40, average 200. Same way in inter and final, 400 marks out of 8 papers. You can easily do it, provided you put the hard work. If you are not ready to put the hard work, don't take up. If you are ready to put the hard work, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, everybody can do CA, definitely. Next one is CS. Career options in CA. You can start your own practice, you are the boss. You can get into employment or start your own business. क्या करना है करो. Next. Yeah, surely I think some of you are chatting about this PPT. I'll not be looking at the chat now. I'll be definitely responding to your chat only at the end. We'll definitely share this. We'll share this little later. Chat information I'll not be seeing as of now. It will distract the flow. Thank you and sorry. Next, please. We'll share the PPT. Education is to share. Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma says, nothing you can create, nor nothing you can destroy. It is only transfer from one person to another person. This is only a compilation what I have done of the knowledge, what our ancestors have done, where my daughter has helped me a little bit. So to beautify, I will share to anyone and everyone. Whoever wants, you take it, enjoy. No problem. You change it to your name and make it yours. I don't care. Absolutely no problem. Next comes the company secretary. Company secretary is something similar to CA, but it's more of a theory course. Come down. Next. Here also, like in CA, we have 3 courses: entrance exam, executive, and professionals. I'll not get into the details too much because this may not be the forum to discuss all those. Next. Something similar to CMA. Earlier it used to be called CWA. W has been ultified now. Cost and management accountant. Okay, so this is also equally tough course. And IMA, CA, CWA, CS, MBA also I have done all the things. But amongst the degrees as of now, CA, CS, and CWA, CA is the best as of now. My opinion, my personal opinion. Next. So about the next one, yeah, continue. That's okay. Foundation, inter, final, same thing. So now you'll have a confusion. So what is CA? What is CS, CMA? All of you look at this board. CA is the perfect blend of theory and practical, and best in commerce. CS is analytical and application oriented theory. CMA is a practical oriented. So now again, don't say I don't like theory, I don't like practical. This theory, practical, etc. are application oriented. I don't think we need to think like a PUC business studies pages together you have to write. Nothing like it. So it is normal analytical approach theory. Analytical approach theory. Fine. Continue. Next, yeah. So to slight deviate, okay, so if it is boring for some of my student friends, okay, this is a joke, a small joke, just to tell commerce is the best. I'm sure when I'm talking a commerce forum, I'll say commerce is the best. If I go to science forum also, I will say commerce is the best because I'm commerce. But science people will say science is best, arts people will say arts is best, and everybody's right. Nobody's right, nobody's wrong, as I said. Everybody's right in the context. Myself and Albert Einstein, the beautiful commerce-related joke. Today morning only I recalled that joke. Myself and Albert Einstein, we were going in a flight. Joke it is. When you're going in a flight, let's say from Bangalore to London. These are jokes told by Gaur Gopal Das, one of the brilliant orator of ISKCON. So when I was about to sleep after having little snakes, Albert Einstein comes to me and says, Mr. Shetty, shall we play a game? I said, what game? He says, I will ask you a question. You should answer. If you don't answer, you have to give me 50 rupees. Then you ask me a question. Einstein, great scientist, extraordinary, no doubt. So you ask me a question. If I don't answer, I will give you 10 times. I'll give you 500 rupees. So if I don't answer, how much I have to pay? 50 rupees. If Einstein doesn't answer, how much he has to pay? 500 rupees. I said, commerce brain, no deal. I said, deal, done, sir. Okay. Then I said, aap to bade hai, आप तो great है, आप पूछ लीजिए. You ask me a question. He asked me, explain E is equal to MC square. I had kept 50 rupees note ready. So he asked me, what is E is equal to MC square? I said, education is equal to Mount Carmel College. He said, what rubbish, wrong answer. Okay. I said, okay, sir, I don't know. 50 rupees I gave. Then I said, sir, Einstein said, you ask me. Then I asked, sir, which is that animal goes to Mount Everest with 3 legs and comes down with 4 legs? I repeat, which is that animal which goes to the Mount Everest with 3 legs and comes down with the 4 legs? Einstein started scratching his head, looking here and there, switched on his mobile, internet, everything. No answer. He was frustrated. He banged 500 rupees on my table. He banged 500 rupees on my table and said, okay, I don't know. I took 500 rupees, kept in the pocket, and I was about to sleep. He said, idiot. Okay, so what is the answer for that question? Which is that animal goes to the Mount Everest with 3 legs and comes down with 4 legs? I gave 50 rupees and I said, I don't know. So in my profit and loss account, revenue 500, expenses 50 plus 50, net profit 400. Don't take a panga with commerce student. That is the moral of the story. Anyhow, sorry for the deviation. Just to ensure that you're always in the attentive mode. Otherwise, keeping the attention span for more than 30 minutes is not an easy job. Now, for my student friends, what are the things we should take care in our careers? Whatever karna hai, whatever you want to do, start early. Kal karenge, tomorrow we'll decide. After the result dekhenge. No, decide. PUC, when I was in PUC, my teacher told, the best course in commerce are CA or CS or CMA. I intelligently heard it as CA and CS and CMA, and I did all the 3. And anyway, by God's grace, after that, I've done some other degrees also. So start early. PUC only I decided. Mujhe karna hai, that's it. Okay. And when I was in BCom, now teacher told you have to get a rank. I said, I told to myself, I have to get first rank. I ended up getting first rank with the 24 marks difference. Not to boast about myself, but I'm telling you, I am from a village background, Kannada medium up to 10th standard. I competed with 128 best colleges in Mangalore. And 1995, I was the first rank holder in the entire university in BCom. Gold medalist. How did it happen? Because my teachers believed me. I believed in myself and I put the effort from the beginning. I was able to reach that. So you people also start early. Know what you want to do. Find your true calling. Have a clarity in your decision. Don't have fears. Fear is death. Swami Vivekananda says, courage is the life. Fear is death. I always tell my friends, be legally correct, be morally correct, then fearless. ನೀನು legally correct ಆಗಿ morally correct ನೀನು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡು ಕ್ಯಾ ಭಿ ಕರೋ you are not wrong. You are not wrong. Okay. You should not be illegal. You should not be immoral. The 2 points you take care. Do fearlessly you do. Trust me, you will definitely get 2 times the success than what you expected also. And have a pragmatic goals. And as a student, don't pursue your marks. Go for your passion. Study for the knowledge. Study for the enjoyment. You learn something in commerce, learn something in management. Wow, I'm learning some management study. Extraordinarily great statement. Okay, made by profit can no more be the objective of the business than eating is the objective of living. So there's a brilliant statement by I think F.H. Knight or Peter F. Drucker. Okay, some of the management authorities will be talking about it. When they talk about all those things, wow, I'm just loving it. Look at the statement. Profit can no more be the objective of business than eating is the objective of living. Are you living only for eating? No. Can you live without eating? No. So, जीने के लिए खाना चाहिए. Khana is required. But we are not living only for eating. So, like that, pursue passion, enjoy your knowledge. Automatically, marks जक मार के आएगा. 3 Idiots movie concept. Marks जक मार के आएगा. Automatically आएगा. It will, marks will chase you. Next one. Yeah. So if there is a do's, there is a don'ts, no? If there is a good, there is a bad, no? If there is a, what you call positive, there is a negative, no? They may. So don't be influenced by others. Yes, get the knowledge. See, something like, there's a beautiful statement made by N.R. Narayanamurthy sir, one of the brilliant human being. Hats off, our Karnataka person, okay? That gentleman said, people say after a certain age, you have to consider your children as your friends. Narayanamurthy sir said, stupid, nonsense, wrong. You have to consider your children as children only because you need to give them the guidance. See, my daughter, for example, when she's in high school, she said, I love fashion designing. So that is a natural tendency to everybody say, but without knowing what is fashion designing, you need to guide them. So Narayanamurthy sir says, your parents, parents should be acting like parents only, not like friends. Because you can gain thousands of parents, but you cannot gain, you can gain thousands of friends, I'm sorry. You can gain thousands of friends, but you cannot have other than your parents as your parents. Parents are only as a father and mother, nothing other than that. That's why parents must influence the children in giving the ideas. So, illa, I am already 18 years, sir, I know everything. I'm sorry. Gray hair ಅಥವಾ no hair has not happened just because of like what you call in spring or autumn, the what you call ಎಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಉದುರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಉದುರಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಕೂದಲು. It is because of the experience it has come. Either it become gray or no hair. It is because of their experience. Respect the experience. My introduction person has read about my qualification, but trust me, my qualification is nothing in front of a person having a more experience, because that experience is about life. My qualification is only pustakada badnekai. It is all about what I read. So that's why I'm not underestimating the qualification, but nothing in front of experience. That's why start respecting that. Start respecting that. Fine. Next one. Don't assume about a career. So it will be like this. See, like when I was taken up CA, I was always thinking CA means AC office mein baithna hai, sign karna hai, check aayega. Fact is not. Yes, it is good, but it is not so. You work, you will get the salary. If you don't get, you will not get it. Absolutely. That is the way things are happening. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Fine. So don't get tempted by current trends. Lot of things are happening today. You see the marketing. See, marketing only, they make mountain out of moles. By looking at, wow, see, like Aishwarya Rai, I always say that. Aishwarya Rai will be using the Lux soap. So children, wow, Aishwarya Chika ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. I will also. My dear friends, observe that ad. She would have had bath. She would have applied Fair and Lovely. Then she goes inside the water with the Lux soap. What rubbish. What rubbish. Don't get into that kind of what you call influence. Next, don't select a career in direction. Ayyo, yenai hoga. Like some people come and say, sir, I taken up CS because CA is tough. Anta. Who told you CS is easy? Everything is easy, everything is tough. As simple as that. Don't finalize before you clarify. Don't, and somewhere you are always, ayyo, mujhe yahi karna hai. Yes, if you have passion, you pursue. But have a clarity about everything. Have an information about everything. Then continue. Don't be influenced by media, etc. I said. And don't believe until you know more details. So I always go by Russian slogan: trust but verify. Trust but verify. Now today, whatever I told you, trust. Nothing wrong in trusting, but verify whether what I told is right or wrong. I may be wrong, but for me there is no fun in telling some wrong things here. Okay, but you can still verify. Trust but verify. Athava trust God but lock your car well. They say trust God but lock your car well. What does it mean? So I trust God and you just keep the car open, dicky open, key there only. That is meaningless. So there is one more chore fellow, one more thief. He may be also trusting the God, waiting for this kind of car. So he is also trusting the God. No, please understand that. Please understand. In other words, trust God but lock your car well. Trust but verify whatever you want to. Verify karke, analyze and do it. And your intelligence, nobody can match, because you are unique, just like everyone else. You are unique, just like everyone else. Next, please. Yeah, continue. All the questions, please chat at the end. I may not be taking right now. Okay, I may not be able to go through it. Okay, thank you, and thanks for all your appreciation messages. Thank you very much. Now, to conclude at the end with the conclude moment we say conclude, our students community will agoitu anta. Conclude the first two parts. Now the third part begins. This Mahabharata 18 chapters is one chapter ends, another chapter begins. And the 10-15 minutes, as told to me, I'll be speaking. So in a class, just I remembered one incident. In a class when I was teaching for my CA friends, I told one day, so after 1.5 hour class, I said, anyone answer my first question, I will allow you to go home immediately. You can go home and relax. Otherwise, I'll extend the class for another half an hour. Moment I said that, in the class, Aditi was there. So Aditi threw her bag out. I immediately asked, who is that idiot threw the bag out? Aditi says, sir, me, sir, I threw the bag out. I answered your first question, Tane, I am going home. So this is exceptional intelligence. This kind of intelligence doesn't work. So in education, okay, whatever is required, you follow. What is not required, you don't have to follow. Now coming to the last part, last limb. The joke was connected to conclusion. Okay. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep on going. See, we are all having negative thought. Everybody, including me, everybody has a negative thought. Wrong thought, ayyo, frustration. Look at the beauty of our stupidity, including mine, including mine. All earlier days, ayyo, we are tired of working. Let me be at home for some time. Now you ask anyone, ayyo, beda pa, beda. I don't want a house. I want to be, I want to, okay, yeah. I want to, what you called, go out. That's what it says. I want to go out. That's the way. Lock up and lockdown. Someone asked me, what is the difference between lock up and lockdown, Saranta? Sir, lock up is in police custody, with due respect, whereas lockdown is your house custody. Maybe you are married in your wife's custody or husband's custody, as the case may be. As the case may be. So, lock up is in the police custody. Lockdown is house custody. In lockup, you have a bailable cases where you may be released. In lockdown, it is non-bailable. Inside the house only, from kitchen to the hall, hall to the bathroom, bathroom to blah, blah, blah. That's the way things are happening. So keep moving. This is temporary. This is a temporary phase of our life. And we have experienced it. Trust me, around 50 years back, people have experienced something else. So before that, maybe 1942, when the World War was happening, people experienced something else. Everyone have taken it in a positive manner. They are able to survive and they are able to, live happily. So relax and chill. Don't worry anything about it. Thank you. Next one. Yeah, the success ladder, all the books, if you can see. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. You need to be strong internally. So there are three important parts which I keep telling. So I told do yoga, do physical activity, and then mend. So there are three parts. My personal development, sir, one gentleman named Dr. Shikaripura Krishnamurthy, sir, extraordinary speaker. I love his speech. I have attended his session 20 times plus. Now also, if he asks me to attend, I'll attend. And he says, we are three of us. My body, my mind, and myself. The Atma Gitmala to high level, we don't understand. Very basic level. I'm a very simple, normal gentleman. I'll give a simple example. Now, see, my body is active. I'm shaking my hands. My body is active. Mind is also active. Otherwise, I would not have spoken with such a flow. And I am always there. Take an example. Second example, I am sleeping in the night. My body is sleeping and I have a dream. My mind is active and I am always there. Next day, I'll get up. So now, present scenario. First example, my body is active, mind is active, I am active. I am always there. When I'm sleeping with a dream, my body is sleeping, my mind is active, but I'm always there. Third example, I sleep, beautiful sound sleep. Sound sleep ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಂಟಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗೊರಕ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. Sound sleep means you are having a brilliant sleep. My body is sleeping, my mind is sleeping, but I am always there. So my dear friends, you should always live for yourself, neither for your body nor for your mind. Neither for your body nor for your mind. Your body, let's say some small finger broken. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಿಂಗರ್ ತಾನೆ, I am happy. Okay, finger ತಾನೆ, rest of the body ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. You live for that. Why do you suffer only for that finger? Okay, so body, yes, pain is, enjoy the pain. Let the body enjoy the pain. Next, someone shouts at you or someone cheats you. Your mind may get disturbed. Mind may feel little sad. Mind tane unhappy. You be happy. Why are you unhappy for mind? Because now I proved you are above the body, you are above the mind. So always ensure that you are above your body and mind. You need not be above anybody else in the world. You should be above your body, above your mind. You are able to control yourself. Someone shouts at you, okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ temporarily ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತು. Then you say, hey, I am above my mind. I am happy. That's the way you should look at yourself. And that's why for this you need to increase your strength. How to do? Physical activity karo, body will be strengthened. Mind is, read some books, religious books. Bhagavad Gita irbodu, Quran irbodu, what you called Bible irbodu, Jainism. My dear friends, I follow only two religions. I'm a pakka human being. Number two, I'm an Indian, pakka Indian. Okay, apart from that, I don't care. If your blood is red, my blood is also red. We are all human beings. So apart from that, if I am born as a Muslim, I read the Quran. If I'm born as a Christian, I read a Bible. If I'm born as a Hindu, I read a Bhagavad Gita. Read your respective religion because those religious books are the abundant source of knowledge and inspiration. So my policy of life is follow your religion, respect every other religion, because that is what is called human religion. Okay, so that's what exactly I wanted you to follow it. Fine, next one please. Yeah, so the success mantra I always say for the student friends: hard work, commitment, dedication, and focus. These are the 5 words, will automatically lead to the 5th word called success. Perfection is our aim, excellence is tolerated. I'll come back about this slide in another avatar. Wait for 2 minutes. Next one, please. Yeah, one of my favorite quotes: to be Everest, don't be ever at rest. Anybody who is planning to build your career, to be Everest, don't be ever at rest. So if you do that, you will reach the top. Tenzing Norgay, hats off to his mother. Every mother would have said, no, don't go to that Mount Everest, don't go to that. But the mother was inspiring him, saying that one day I want you to be on the top. And hats off, great mother, great mother. Next, Tenzing Norgay, when he tried several times, he failed, like Albert Einstein. 999 times he failed before 1,000 patents have been registered in his name. Albert Einstein. Same way, Tenzing Norgay, he was failing. He was saying, today you may be tall, you wait for one day. The moment he reached the top, the first person along with Edmund Hillary, if I'm not wrong, he said, you may be much bigger, but today you are below my feet. Today you are below my feet. It is not an arrogant statement, it is an achievement statement. You people also have that target. I say there are a lot of hurdles in your life. There are a lot of stones coming in your life. Once you cross that stone will become a milestone. Sir, 10th karna, see, look back all my friends, because I've been given the understanding, all of the college students here. When you're writing 10th, your parents, family, 10th is a very tough exam, very big exam, very complicated. Along with you, entire family wrote 10th. When you're doing 10th, your family members are also doing 10th. You tell me why? Function genekri bandila Gangamandre, nan maga 10th barita iddanta. And today, if you look back the 10th, it is a chiller exam. So same way, your PUC will also be chiller, your degree also will become chiller, provided you would the hard work. So whatever the course you are in, whatever the course you're taking, graduation course, management course, whatever course, once you cross, that will become a milestone. So don't be ever at rest. Work hard. My sir, Sri Padamchand Kincha sir, my godfather, okay, where I did my articleship, amazing human being. He says, so people come and ask him, sir, work-life balance बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, क्या करेंगे? Sir says, just to work, life will balance. Just to work, automatic. God has sent us for human janma for working. Work, life will automatically balance. Okay, don't think about balance kaise karna. You are not in the takkadi to do the balancing. Work, life will balance. Next one, please. Yeah, ask yourself, is your 100% really 100%? As I told you earlier, don't sell yourself short. Put more than 100% effort. At least you will end up with the 100%. Next, please. These are one or two beautiful quotations. Next one. Yeah, this is one of my beautiful quotations again. The quotation by the great Martin Luther King. Probably 8 out of 10 speeches I would have spoken about this. If you can't fly, then run. Very crucial now, especially this scenario. You may not be able to fly, then run. Sir, run bhi nahi ho sakta. We cannot come out. Lockdown hai. Acha hai. If you can't run, then walk. Sir, walking also not permitted, sir. Last week we had a lockdown. Okay. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Thank you, Vivek sir. Thank you. So you have to keep moving forward. Means you have to keep moving ahead in life. You should never ever think back. So keep flying. If not, run. If not, walk. If you can't, at least crawl. This is the way you get the success. This is the way you get the success. Thank you. Next one. Dream is not. This is one of my favorite personality, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Extraordinary human being. All of you must read his biography. In Kannada, there is a statement. I'm sorry for using some extra Kannada words. Maybe for non-Kannada people, if you're not able to understand. Okay. In Kannada, there is a statement, Sharanarannu Maranadalli Kanu. I repeat, Sharanarannu Maranadalli Kanu. What does it mean? If you want to summarize the life of a human being, you have to see his death. this great soul, he said, I want to die when I'm teaching. Exactly what happened. He was giving a lecture somewhere, he had just collapsed and his life ended. So that is the life you should live. You should be a role model for others. Today, so APJ Abdul Kalam, nobody thought he will become president. So when Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji handpicked him, even the opposition parties are not what you call dare to oppose that candidate. That is the beauty of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, and he says, dream is not which you see while sleeping. It is something what does not let you sleep. I want you to keep your dream about whatever. मुझे MBA बनना है, मुझे graduation बनना है, मुझे वो करना है, क्या करना है. So keep it in your heart. Don't keep it in your eyes. Because if you keep your dream in your eyes, it may be washed away with the tears. Whereas if you keep in your heart, it will be there till the last breath. Your breath will be there till the end. The breath is connected to heart. Your dream will always be there with you. And chase that dream with the continuous effort, you will be able to get the success. Next one, please. Yeah. There's one more beautiful quotation I just recently saw. I will do one day, or I'll start doing from day one. You decide. I don't want to elaborate. एक दिन मैं वो बनता हूँ, वो करेंगे, नान मार्तीनी, अथवा I will start preparing for the same from day one. So as I said earlier, start from now, not even today. Things will fall in right place. Next, please. Yeah, there's one more beautiful quotation for my life. I casually ask Aditi, can you unmute for a minute? I'll just take one example. Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to give a normal answer, okay? So you imagine that you are going in a forest.
Okay.
You imagine that you are going in a forest. Suddenly, when a tiger comes, what will you do? Normal answer. Don't give a answer which I would have told you otherwise. Imagine that you are in a forest. Imagine that you are in a forest, and suddenly one tiger comes. What do you do?
Start running and try to escape.
This is the common answer given by everybody. My dear friends, we suffer because of imagination. My answer to that question is, Aditi, now I'll ask you. Okay, so as a student of Shetty sir, okay. So Aditi,
Yes.
if you start, imagine that you are in a forest. Suddenly one tiger comes. What will you do?
Stop imagining.
Stop imagining. Stop imagining. We are unfortunate. Stop. I told you to imagine. Why do you want to imagine? We suffer. At least it is one of the beautiful quotation for my life also. We sir nandu BBA agilla andre, become madak agilla andre, PUC 90% bandilla andre, ulta think madro. PUC 95% bandre, BBA top level pass adre, MBA I pass with the first rank. Think positive, because positive things lead you there, sir. See, we suffer more from imagination than the actual facts. My dear friends, don't suffer. Don't suffer. Don't imagine. क्या होगा होने दो. कर्मण्य वाधिकारस्ते. Put your effort. Result जक मार के आएगा. So वो होता है बाढ़ में गए होने दो. Anybody expected Corona will happen, COVID-19 will happen in last year? Nobody. Did you stop? No. So some people say, sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Class when I was in the class. Emergency ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೆ? ನಾನೇನ್ ದೇವರ emergency stop ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? I am not. I have that much of common sense. I have that much of common sense. I am not God to stop the what you call emergency. Emergency through somewhere people want to reach me, they will reach. I can't help it. That is the way I lived my life, and I am going to live my life. Emergency through, I can't help it. I can't help it. It happens. Whatever I could do, I could do. God would have told me to do something, isn't it? Yeah. Next one. Now stop imagining when this person will stop the classes. Okay? When it will happen, it will happen. Don't worry. Some of the students will go, ayyo, yaವಾಗ stop ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ sir ಅಂತ. You may be imagining. Stop imagining. That's why I put there as a 5 minutes maybe. So my pancha mantras for success. Who cares for cares will get success. So thank you, sir, Vivek Sen. Yeah. So who cares for cares will get success. What is cares? CARES. Commitment. Karna hai. Mahabharata Karna, you may be aware. Karna was very much aware at the end. He is the eldest son of Kunti. He was very much aware he was on the wrong side. He was very much aware that he is going to die. But still, he has not deviated from his commitment. He has, if he had deviated, he would have become the king of Hastinapur. He would have lived, he would have been the eldest. But nobody would have respected him. Today we respect him because of the commitment what he has given. Attitude, always positive. Respect. Bangalore may survive, Delhi may survive, Chennai may survive without chartered accountant. I'm talking about myself. But Bangalore cannot survive without BBMP workers. So respect every human being. Respect everybody. Okay. Chartered accountant, oh, highly qualified. Don't give this artificial respect. BBMP fellow doesn't leave the garbage in front of your house. How can you survive here? So first respect those people who are helpful to you in a day-to-day life. And then okay, respect. And also respect your parents. Okay. So very important statement, my dear friends, especially student friends. The time you realize that your parents are right, you will have a son or daughter who will start saying you are wrong. I repeat, the time you realize that your parents are right, you will have a son or daughter who will start saying that you are wrong. Let this situation not come. We have seen in our cash foundation, we have some NGO, in some Vruddhashram, old age home, Karnataka politicians' parents are in Vruddhashram. What a pathetic scenario. Huh? So, and we have seen some people, parents are struggling here, children are in America, etc. And I call them children as orphan. Papa, parents are not being taken care. Don't do that. Don't do that. It is not a sentence for the sake of saying it, because world, the earth is round. It will come back to you in the same way. 100%, it will come back. It shall come back. It should come back. I am very categorical about it. I am very categorical about it. So, see, I'm youngsters fighting with your parents. I don't say you fight with the row, fight with the respect. ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ I don't have problem, but respect. Don't ever disrespect your parents, because tables are going to be changed in a very short period of time. And most important, enjoy education. If you have reached the top somewhere, you have to enjoy the education. Today, so if I have to come here, maybe if Kerala people have called me here, maybe because a little bit of education what I have, not because of anything else, not because of anything else. So my dear friend, enjoy education, reach the top, and at the youngest possible time, amass the wealth of education, because your 5 kg gold may be lost, 500 crore money may be lost, but as long as your brain and breath are connected properly, your education cannot be hampered by anyone. Cannot be hampered by anyone. And the last one is, be honest, sincere. I always say the best thing about the truth is, you don't have to remember it. The best thing about, I say, this is the white shirt. It's a white shirt, all of you know that. I say black pant I'm wearing. Actually, I'm wearing blue pant. Now, if I simply say I'm wearing black pant, and if I get up and suddenly someone says, I told you lie, why should I do that? Why should I do that? Tell the truth, because truth is always going to be truth. So be sincere about your attitude. So CARES. Next one, please. There are 2 slides, probably. Yeah, the success mantra. Whatever you do, give your 120% now, I say, not 100%. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Intelligence is a bonus, but not a must. So for any course in your life, intelligence is a bonus, but hard work is a must. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. And be passionate, like my friends. When you attend a movie, you remember that movie even after 6 years, assuming that same movie comes in your TV screen, word by word, you'll be knowing dialogue by dialogue. Whereas, which class you had yesterday morning, if I ask you, will not be able to tell. Why? Do you have a separate brain? When you go to a movie, you have one brain. When you go to the class, you have another brain? No. The reason is, when you enjoy the movie, you enjoy it with the pleasure. Education you do with the pleasure. I am not the person to tell you don't watch movie. Watch movie, but enjoy education also with pleasure. When you enjoy with the pleasure, you will remember the things in a better way. Next, please. Yeah. To conclude, a right decision at the wrong time is a bad decision. A wrong decision at the right time is also a bad decision. That's why only a right decision at the right time is the best decision. Clearly, people have put an extreme effort to make this event happen. So take advantage of it. Take a right decision after analyzing everything and conclude the same. Just one. Next one, please. Another 2 slides. Yeah. As I said earlier, anything happens, so what? What cannot be cured has to be endured. Corona, can you cure? Can I cure? I cannot. What cannot be cured, just let us endure. Live with it for some time. Things will automatically become normal. Next one. Yeah, this is one last inspirational story I'll tell and wind up. Okay. In South Africa, the color discrimination was rampant. So I should not use the word. Only for understanding, I'm using the word black and white. You should always say that dark and fair. So in the South African beach, one helium balloon vendor. Helium andre gottalla. Helium balloons, they will fly if you leave. Whenever business used to be dull, he used to release green color balloon, yellow color balloon, blue color balloon. One South African boy, unfortunately black or dark, whatever you call, was observing it. One day, that innocent boy went and asked the balloon vendor, "Uncle, I see you releasing green color, yellow color, blue color balloon. If you release black color balloon, will it fly?" Look at the innocence of that child. He didn't know that the helium inside the balloon will make it fly, not the color of the balloon. My dear friends, it is the helium inside you to do something in life will make you to fly. It is not what other factors, your family background, your financial background, your intelligence, absolutely not relevant. Sir, I don't have money to do this course. Today, there are so many banks to give you the loans here. I didn't have electricity in my house till I became a CA. I am a chartered accountant. I have got string of degrees now. All these things because I believed in myself and my teachers have believed in myself. My elders have blessed me. That's the reason I am here. Little qualification, not substantial. All this happens. Believe in yourself. Next one, please. Aditi, next. Yeah. So this is the last slide. Don't worry. Okay. The recently added quote, one of the beautiful quotation by Gaur Gopal Das. Success is the ability to move from one failure to another without loss in enthusiasm. Look at the beauty. I specifically put this because of this scenario. I never put this quotation earlier in any of my speeches. This period, I know there are some failure. Our incomes have come down. My knowledge level has come down. Maybe some of you are learning through online. Yes, there is a failure. But success is ability to move from one failure to another without loss in enthusiasm. Fail ho gaya, no problem. Failure is a stepping stone for success. Albert Einstein fail agavitane. What is the big deal? Avunu, one of our teachers was mentioning. Albert Einstein, when he was doing a research, he has told the office staff, near my place, keep a big dustbin or trash. He asked, why, Saranta? I have the habit of writing and scribbling every now and then. Every time what I do is a failure. So don't worry about the failure, but don't lose the enthusiasm. And the most important one, my dear friend, 2 points I want to add on. Be happy to be an Indian. Nothing like India, okay? Nothing like India. Don't get into this politics of caste, creed, religion. We are all Indians. Let us be united. APJ Abdul Kalam said 2020 vision, okay? We wanted to do one CF project, Caste Foundation project for underprivileged government children. We'll be doing it anyhow. And APJ Abdul Kalam said 2020, the word he has started, APJ. Today, we have a golden opportunity to make the India the number one country in the world again. India was number one. In between, we would have lost that. We can become number one only because of your and my effort. So contribute, be a Pakka Indian, contribute. How to contribute? First, all my student friends, be the best educated yourself. When you educate, your family grows. When your family like yours grows, India grows. Nothing else need to be done. That's the biggest contribution to the country. And be patriotic. Because nothing like a country like India, diversified portfolio, but still we are able to enjoy. And third point, please respect the law of the country. Now there are a lot of negativity happening because of the corona, etc. Please don't step out. Take extra care. Airborne also they are trying to say. That's why do you want to take an unwanted, what you call risk in life? Why do you want to take risk? And one person has having a problem. It is family suffer agatte. Entire family suffers. Take extra care. Take extra care. Be at home. Last 4 months I hardly stepped out of my house. Everything I'm doing sitting at home online. I'm busier than the offline. I'm busier than offline, but still I am able to enjoy my life without stepping out of my house. I will not step out. I know it's difficult, but I'm enjoying. I do all these things. Moment they called, Kelly people, when they called, I said, I'm ready because there's an opportunity for me to enjoy my life. Whether you got the benefit or not, I don't know, but I enjoy talking to so many people. And the most important, the last one, it is not the happy people who are thankful. It is the thankful people who are happy. Be thankful to God. Compared to millions of others, we are in a much, much, much better position. I stopped complaining that I don't have a shoe when I saw a person without legs. I repeat, I stopped complaining that I don't have a shoe when I saw a person without legs. So there are millions of people can't even afford one-time meal. We sitting at home, we have been provided, most of us, 3 times food. Everything is at our, what you call, disposal. Why do we have a negative thought? Why do we have a wrong thought? Think about those people who are struggling to their livelihood. Think about the doctor. Think about the BBMP people. They are taking the risk and taking care of us. My request on behalf of the entire team, please, please, please respect the law of the country, law of the state, law of the municipality. Take care of yourself. That is very important. And be thankful for everything what God and your parents and elders are given. It is not the happy people who are thankful. It is the thankful people who are happy. If you are thankful, it is the saying thanks is easy, but you mean it, you feel it. That is where your life will become beautiful. Next one. Yeah, that is, I am really, what do you call, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank the entire team of KLE, okay, for giving me an opportunity. So Kishan sir, Kiran and Sripad sir for, and the entire team for the opportunity what you given. Thank you so much. It was my privilege to talk to your people and all the people involved. Thank you so much. Next one.
Thank you so much,
For
sir.
any information you want, 1 second, sir. Any information about the KLE, so there is a phone number being posted there. You can note it down. So we also, I think when we were talking last time, so they said they are also planning to have a CA tie-up. Maybe if they are planning, we are also planning. Any CA related information also, if the KLE group wants, we are always there to help you, because my policy is we have to educationally empower India. In whatever way you want to help us, we'll be able to help out. We'll be able to help out. And especially CA related course of 20 years plus, we are in Bangalore. The cheapest and the best we are planning to give you 104 plus all India ranks. We have including 3 ranks all India in CA, and thousands of CAs have passed. Anybody who is really interested, they can always either contact KLE or contact our institution. And anything management related courses, you can always contact one of the leading institution in Bangalore and across the country, KLE. Next one. And any other contacts, I think some people are asking for the PPD, etc. So I given the contact number here. For any information, inquiry, you can contact us. So thank you. First of all, thanks to the entire team of KLE again. Thanks to Aditi and Chinmay for the support.